Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Several listed companies shared their financial results for the previous quarter. Massey Holdings Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ended March 31, 2025 reported a 24% increase in 6-month net profit attributable to shareholders. Then QWI Investments Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ending March 31, 2025 reports a 6-month net loss of $137.64 million. We then turn to Sagicor Real Estate X Fund Limited. Their unaudited financials for the first quarter ending March 31, 2025 reports a 212% increase in 3 months net profit. We then turn the spotlight to NCB Financial Group Limited, unaudited financials for the 6 months ending March 31, 2025, which reports a 94% jump in 6 months net profit attributable to shareholders. Kingston Freeport Terminal Limited lauded its partnership with Jamaica Customs Agency and Port Authority of Jamaica for the feat on last Thursday, where it surpassed its record for single-day gate transactions, processing over 930 container arrivals and deliveries. This achievement was a result of teamwork that allowed Kingston Freeport the ability to respond to the needs of the domestic market and enhance service delivery. Last week, Amber Connect entered into a strategic alliance with Dollar Financial Services Limited to integrate vehicle tracking and telematics technology as a benefit to the auto loan product. The Dollar Financial Services loan product for taxi operators is offering up to 95% financing for new vehicle purchases, or access up to 70% of their existing vehicle value, and flexible repayment options of up to 36 months. The loan comes with Amber Connect's free GPS tracking system. Additionally, borrowers will have access to Amber On Time, a Jamaican-developed world-class taxi app that offers PPV drivers direct access to passenger bookings, further streamlining their operations and profitability. For the trading period ending May 9, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. International food distributor Deramon Trading Company Limited, with 6,774,835 units traded, representing 21.42% of market sales volume. Logistics and shipping conglomerate Kingston Wharves Limited, with 6,702,980 units traded, representing 21.19% of market sales volume. Billboard advertising and real estate developer Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited, with 4,957,766 units traded, representing 15.67% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 9, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $57.21 million purchased and US $55.21 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.80 per dollar, selling the US at $160.19 and buying the US at $158.39. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.79 per transactions, with selling at $115.40 and buying at $111.61. The British pound yielded Forex traders 80 cents in profits, with selling at $212.30 and buying at $211.50. For our credit report tip of the day, when you present your business ideas to investors, bankers, or strategic partners, your pitch is more than your words. It's your financial credibility. Whether or not you mention it, your credit score is part of the conversation, and it can work in your favor in more ways than you realize. Here are some suggestions from expert financial advisors. You can use your credit score to reflect how you handle responsibility, something every investor or banker wants to see. Another idea is to use your credit score to build trust with lenders. Most banks use your personal credit score to decide if you're eligible for startup funding. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step forward to your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.